Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In this session, we are going to configure workforce compensation feedback survey tasks. So how we can enable the feedback survey and how we can configure the feedback survey, we are going to see in this task, in this session. So let's just move on to the application first. So I log in as a HR specialist. Now we have to move on to the My Client group and then open the compensation under the apps. Here we have to find our workforce compensation plan under the workforce compensation. So let's just open it. And we are going to search compensation plan, and you can also create your workforce compensation plan by create icon. Let's just open it. Here you can see the feedback survey. Right now it's not enabled. You can see here. Let's just open it and enable it. So basically it's let the people who uses the plan to allocate workforce compensation during compensation cycle gives you feedback on their experience with the plan. So this feedback can help you determine if you need to further refine plans to determine audiences such as the compensation administrator and the line manager. So it can be help you refine what task, worksheet and reports to include and what information to include in each worksheet and report. So these kind of change help you improve productivity and satisfaction with the plan over time. So you can let people provide ratings for their experience and include up to 5 survey questions, and you can view survey responses using the view administrator report task. So here, if you want to enable this, so you can just click on the yes option. And here you can see the survey questions. So you can fill the survey questions also. And here you can see let administrator and manager answer the configured feedback question about the plan to help you improve their experience in the future cycle. Right. And then you can see here the enable rating option here. Here also you can select here. So let administrator and manager rates their experience with the plan to help you improve their experience in the future cycle. So here in the rating details option, you have to give this special instruction. So you have to write some text here. So let's just write here. Rate your overall experience of this compensation cycle. And here you can disable this 0 rating, not applicable for your compensation plan. And here you can see 1 to 5 overall rating. 1 is a poor, where 5 is a excellent. And here under the survey questions, you can put your questions here. For example, you can fill here. Do you feel that this tool was helpful in allocating compensation? Right. And let's fill another question. You can give all 5 questions here. What new features? What new features would you like to see? So these type of questions you can fill here in the survey questions box, right? And you can just click on the save and close option. And you can see here the task is now completed. So this is how you can enable the feedback survey under the workforce compensation plan. So I hope this method is clear to you, how you can fill the survey questions, how you can enable and configure the feedback survey under the workforce compensation plan. So thank you so much for watching the video.